Hey guys, it's Steven. Just a quick update on how the opening power bar strategy did again today. I do have the indicator on my screen. That's what the markings are. It drew all that in. Again, you don't need the indicator if you can identify the power bar, mark the high and the low. I ignore this crazy bar at 4 a.m. and the indicator knows to do that. So my marked high is basically here. My marked low is here. The pre-market lows around 4:42 a.m. Power bar fires lower off the pre-market high. I got in around here into this sort of second power bar. This can be it's one very large power bar lower. A nice entry is here, especially as it clears this support level in the pre-market. These support levels in the pre-market aren't super important to me. Less volume, they just have less importance. But if you can clear one on entry, it's nice. The Qs move down to the pre-market lows. As I said in my other videos, that's the perfect trade for this strategy. A nice place to exit. The other thing I was doing this morning as this was happening, obviously I have the Qs that I was trading with the pre-market high and pre-market low, but I was also keeping an eye on NVDA and on Broadcom this morning because they were driving the Q action. This is Broadcom, and you had a waterfall basically trade here and a bounce. This was where the Qs bottomed as well. So if you were keeping an eye on the main driver this morning of the Qs, it didn't hurt to be able to see that. But again, you didn't need to. If you want to just keep it simple and just trade the power bar opening strategy, lower, cover at the pre-market lows, and done. The link to the indicator is in the description. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks.